Hello guys, welcome back to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 16.1 update is not showing on my iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to in my software update iOS 16.1 update is not showing on iPhone and iPad. Now the iPhone and iPad users question is what to do for the iOS 16.1 get beta iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now first important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and iPad. Wi-Fi is connected. Now simple thing is open the Safari browser. In Safari browsers, now bottom to search bar. In search bar search betaprofile.dev. This official website I give you on my descriptions box, so guys easily copy and paste on your Safari browsers and open it. Open this trusted website and select the iOS 16. In iOS 16 you can see also install profile available. Install the profile. After you can see also for the permissions allow pop-up. Now please make sure tap on the allow. After again come back in the home screens and open the settings app. In the settings app you can see also second option is profile download. Now please make sure tap on it. Now select the iOS 16.1 beta profile. Now tap on the right hand side install icon. Now again tap on the install. After you can see also this way too you can easily get the software update iOS 16.1 update on your iPhone and iPad. This all the process done. After again open the settings app. In settings app go down and tap on the general. In general second option is software update. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take care.